Are you ready for the truth that will change your life? Each of us holds a tremendous potential within. Yet, most of us focus on obstacles rather than unleashing this power. So what truly makes the difference? Is it motivation, talent, or luck? Motivation is the force that ignites that first spark inside you every morning. But how can we keep this force alive? The most crucial factor in sustaining motivation: small steps. If you want to succeed, you don't need a perfect start. All you need are small, determined steps forward. Remember, long journeys begin with a single step. Just think about today. What will be your next big step? If not now, then when? Ask yourself, what do I need to do to succeed? The answer is to keep moving forward, learn from your mistakes, and never give up. Because the most important thing for success is persistence. Today, take a step towards your dreams. If you're looking for more sources of motivation, subscribe to our channel and don't miss out on videos that can change your life. Success is the sum of small steps you take every day. The next step to change your life is in your hands.